Customer states fuel leak. I'd say it's a fuel leak.
Customer states when turning left and rolling the passenger window down, the door opens.
And this customer just came in because they can't close this tray on the vehicle they just bought.
Let's see if it's open first.
Okay,
so it's open.
It's open. All right, so we'll go in
Because it won't close.
and we lock. You can't tell me you've ever seen that before.
That's the first time I tried the key because I always have the unlock and lock.
I've never seen that before.
This vehicle came in as the radio wasn't working. The technician removed some trim to access the fuse box and noticed that the interior of this vehicle was saturated with curry.